In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a numbered list on Google Docs. If you have a set of items in a document and you want to organize them clearly in a numbered format, Google Docs makes that very easy. A numbered list is useful when the order of your points matters, like instructions, rankings, or step-based information. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to turn existing lines of text into a numbered list in just a few clicks. To get started, go to your Google Doc, open the document where your text is already written or where you want to format a list. Once you're inside the document, take a moment to locate the items you want to number. This method works especially well if you already have several lines typed out and simply want to apply numbering to them all at once. Next, click on the list of items and highlight them. To do that, place your cursor at the beginning of the first item, then click and drag down through the rest of the lines you want included. Make sure all of the relevant items are selected before moving on. Highlighting is important here because it tells Google Docs exactly which text should be converted into a numbered list. If you miss a line, that line won't be included, so it's worth double-checking your selection before the next step. Once your items are highlighted, go to the top row of the Google Docs toolbar and click on the numbered list icon. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will automatically place numbers in front of each selected line and format them as a list. This is the fastest way to create a clean, professional-looking numbered list without having to type the numbers manually. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that Google Docs will usually continue the numbering for you if you press enter after one of the listed items. That can save time if you plan to add more points afterward. And if the formatting doesn't look quite right, you can reselect the text and click the numbered list icon again to adjust it. That's all it takes. Open your Google Doc, highlight the items you want to organize, and click the numbered list icon in the toolbar. With just those simple actions, your document becomes much easier to read and follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.